Good evening, Tallahassee. I am student meteorologist Josh Rivas. It is Thursday night, a very muggy Thursday night, and that's been the case for the past several days. Speaking of wet, Mariana area had around 10 inches of rain in one night. That is how moist the atmosphere is right now. Very unusual this time of year. So that's going to be the case for the next few days, especially through the weekend as well. Maybe next week, maybe a little bit of a drying trend next week, but still very muggy throughout the next several days. Take a look at this. This is what we call precipitable water or atmospheric moisture in the air, converted into inches. So 3 inches is our max on this scale. 2 inches is usually what we see in the summertime. Summertime thunderstorms that dump a lot of heavy rain that are slow movers, sea breeze storms. That's what we see in the summertime. So we're seeing a value of 1.8 inches. That is very moist. The atmosphere is very moist. It's just so conducive for heavy rainfall this time of year. Very unusual. So right now we're sitting at a comfortable 1.65, or should I say uncomfortable really, because it's almost a measure of the dew point. The higher the dew point, the higher value of atmospheric moisture. Here's the dew points. We've been in the 70s the past few days. And again, those are values you see in the summertime. Low 70s to mid 70s, that's mid-summertime weather. So right now we're sitting in a summertime environment, so very conducive for heavy rainfall. High temperatures. We were near summer-like temperatures as well last Friday, 89 degrees, almost near 90 degrees, well above average. Then we had the rain start to fall this weekend, a little bit near average and below. And then we had sunshine Tuesday, 88-degree high, above average yet again. Yesterday we had more rainfall near 80 degrees, a little bit more near average this time of year. So again, yesterday, draw a line between Tallahassee and Jacksonville and you have your cloud cover. Cloud cover across the Panhandle and western Big Bend, and then you had sunshine and summer-like weather across Central and South Florida. So that's been the case the past several days across the Sunshine State. It's going to change a little bit over the next few days. In terms of severity, we're not going to look at too many severe storms across here. It's mainly going to be the rainfall. Flooding is going to be an issue, localized. We're not looking at flash flooding. Areas west of here, definitely a flash flooding issue. But here, more localized on campus, it floods a lot when it rains really quickly in a short amount of time. For tomorrow, we're looking for more showers and storms to move through. So our high temperatures isn't going to move much. Today we had a high near 78 degrees, and that was it. Cloud cover. So again, tomorrow we're calling near 80 degrees with more cloud cover and more rain showers tomorrow. For tonight, chance of storms, mainly near the coast and western zones. A low near 67, very muggy. Again, it's very moist out there in the atmosphere. For tomorrow, high near 80 degrees. Plenty of showers moving in from the west. They'll keep moving, so that'll avoid the issue of flash flooding, but again, heavy rainfall at times in a very short amount of time. For the beaches, not a good day. Light winds, but the storms are going to be an issue. It's just not a very sunny day, not a good day to enjoy the beaches. Water temp 75 degrees, so it is rising as well with the warmer temperatures. For pollen, that's the good thing about this rain is pollen is very low. It's a medium as well, so not too much of an issue with the sneezing and the pollen going on right now with this rainfall. Here's the 70 again, high near 80 tomorrow, very high rain chances, and it continues through Saturday, Sunday. High is only near 80, the low 80s. A little bit more seasonal, but it's still going to be very, very muggy. Look at the lows, upper 60s, very summer-like. Next week, we see a little bit more sunshine move in. Highs back near mid-80s, maybe even near 90 the end of next week. Still a rain chance by the end of next week.